You're not lazy. You're just using outdated tools in a world built by AIs. Imagine having a team of expert tutors, note makers, quiz masters, time planners, all working 24/7 for free. That's AI in 2025. The question isn't, should I use AI to study? The question is, how fast can I learn to use it before everyone else does? Hack 1. AI as a hyper-custom tutor. Smart prompt engineering. Forget basic questions. Let's go pro mode. Prompts that hit hard. Explain topic in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and exam level. Act like a top-ranked G, NEET, or IIT coach and quiz me on this with explanations. Bonus move. Ask AI to track your mistakes over time. Keep a log of my weak areas based on today's quiz. Test me again tomorrow. Now your AI isn't just teaching, it's training you like a brain coach. Welcome to the dojo. Hack 2. Turn any video into notes and flashcards. Multimodal learning. Tools. YouTube summary with AI, Clarity, Adify, ChatGPT Vision or Gemini, paste screenshots or slides. Hack. Watch a lecture. Extract the transcript with a Chrome plugin. Paste it into ChatGPT with make Cornell-style notes and 10 MCQs with answers. Now say, turn the MCQs into flashcards. Group them by Bloom's taxonomy. You're not just studying, you're reverse engineering how toppers think. Hack 3. AI as your study planner with accountability mode. Tool, ChatGPT plus Google Calendar or Notion AI. Plan a 7-day revision schedule for exam using the 80-20 rule. Prioritize high-yield chapters and mix in mock test days. Ask it to break each day into 2 to 3 sprints. Add Pomodoro timers. Insert revision loops every 3 days. Next level prompt. Build me a daily system where I start with a test, study the wrong answers, then retest. You're now using AI to design a productivity system that evolves around your brain's feedback. That's elite tier study science. Hack 4. Use AI to break the forgetting curve. Memory system mastery. We don't just want fast input, we want long-term memory. Hack. Use ChatGPT to create spaced repetition schedule for a topic using Anki-style intervals. Or better, every time I review a topic, increase question difficulty. Use active recall plus retrieval practice. Pair this with Anki, RemNote, or just paste into Notion as a review tracker. Now your revision isn't passive, it's a weapon. Hack 5. AI plus past papers equals cheat code, but legal. Tool, ChatGPT, or any GPT-based tool like Humata, Claude, etc. Step 1. Upload previous 3 years' question papers for subject. Analyze and extract the most frequently asked concepts. Step 2. Based on that, build a revision sheet with top 20 most expected questions for 2025. Step 3. Crazy move. Now quiz me on those questions, mix in new variations, and hide answers. You're literally training for the exam using an AI-built simulation. That's not studying. That's hacking your way to the top, legally. Hack 6. AI doubt killer mode. Instead of wasting 45 minutes on YouTube explaining a small doubt, snap a pic of the question. Upload it to ChatGPT Vision or Google Lens. Say, explain this step by step like I'm a 9th grader with 0 brain cells. Then say, now make me a similar problem to solve with answer hidden. You learn, you apply, you remember. No doubt survives the AI hammer. This isn't about replacing your effort. It's about amplifying it. Toppers in 2025 won't just be hard-working. They'll be AI-powered, strategy-driven, system-built learning machines. And you? You're now one of them. Here's what we've unlocked. AI as your tutor, your planner, your flashcard generator, your memory trainer, your exam simulator, your doubt killer, your best friend that never gets tired. If studying felt like suffering before, now it feels like time travel. Because while others are using old methods, You've built a study system that feels illegal but works like magic. If this video gave you even one new superpower, drop a fire emoji in the comments, share it with someone who's still grinding the old way. And if you want more AI hacks like these, hit that subscribe button before your competition does. This is your time. Let's go.